Is Jamal Tako. I am Chairman Pakistan Awami Clown Paim and my brother living in Germany, Aghasan Sayyed. People do understand or not what we say, but our duty to spread our message all over the world. The terrorists, fanatic terrorists, Islamic terrorists, do understand that they are creating a lot of problems for the Muslim living all over the world. All the real Muslims never ever want any terrorism, but these fanatic terrorism or terrorists are crazy, absolutely stupid, and they are goofs who are trying to create a problem for the Muslims and for the Europeans and American, Canadian, Australian, to everyone. We believe that these terrorists, fanatic terrorists, should be eliminated immediately. And what European Union and American and Canadian, Australian is doing against ISIS and terrorists, we are agree with them. We are always be with Europeans, American, Canadian, Australian to fight against the terrorism. Terrorism should be eliminated immediately. Terrorism should be crushed by hay or by way. So, Awami Inqilab Paim, Jamal Tako, and Aghasan Sayyed are absolutely against the Islamic terrorists and all kind of terrorists. So we hope that we will together crush the terrorism from the world.